I'm Takiyah Louise. Thanks for clicking through to view this video of me unbagging my very first Ipsy Glam Bag. If you haven't checked out any of my other unboxing videos, go ahead and hit the info card up there to be taken to them. I have unboxed for the Target Beauty Box, Glossy Box May of 2018 box, the Glossy Box June of 2018 box, the Fab Fit Fun Starter Box for summer of 2018. I've also got before me the Fab Fit Fun Summer Box for 2018, and then I've got Boxy Charm for June 2018 and the Summer Box for PopSugar Must Have. I've also got coming a Causebox and also Birchbox, so be on the lookout for those as well. So let's get into this Ipsy unbagging. I got the yellow one! It's the one that I wanted! Yes! That is so cute. And this feels like a... It's like a... I don't know what type of material this is, but it feels nice. And it's got the 3 shades of yellow, and then on the back it's got a nice sunny yellow, and it's got an Ipsy little tag for a zipper pull. So let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, the first thing is a little card that says Flying Colors Ipsy June of 2018, and it's got several people on here that I recognize just from following Ipsy on Instagram, and this is about Pride Month. So it's got some information on the back about that. And then the first item that I pull out is from Oprah Cosmetics Laboratories, and I've never had anything from Oprah before, so this is really nice. And this is a blush in lemon, and it says you can use it in palettes and kits. Let me go ahead and pull this out here. This would actually go nicely with my outfit today. So that's what it looks like. The next thing that I'm pulling out of my glam bag is the Takiyah Vinyl Source Cream Sorbet Hydrant Moisturizing Sorbet. And I've seen this on Sephora several times and looked into it. And it's just supposed to be like a really nice moisturizer. I'm going to see how it smells. Let's see. Push a little bit up. Let's put some on my hand. It's a very faint, almost powdery type scent. I'm going to go ahead and rub it in and see what that feels like. It rubs in very silky. And then the scent is a little more pronounced, but it's just like a soft, almost powdery, almost kind of like when you have a scent that's unscented, but you can still detect a little bit of scent. That's kind of like what it smells like. So I will be using that. And then I have a Luxie 245 small shader brush, and this looks really nice. It's a nice size, and I like that it's pink and got the little rose gold ferrule. So I will be getting use out of this. And the Ipsy Glam Bag is only $10 a month, and I can already tell that I'm getting my money's worth just from the blush and the Caudalie alone, because Caudalie is a nice expensive type of brand that I've seen at Sephora. So the next one is a Pure Brazilian Miracle Leave-In Conditioner with Keratin. It says it's for gorgeous silky smooth hair. It's color safe and UV protection. And this is 29.5 milliliters or 1 fluid ounce. It says it has it's an amazing formula with 10 benefits instantly. And then there's some writing on the back and about it being an ultra reparative keratin infused conditioner that restructures dry, damaged hair by restoring keratin proteins, the building blocks of hair that have been depleted by chronological aging and or styling, chemical or environmental damage. Okay, that all sounds good, but the moment of truth thing is, how does it smell? Let's see. Oh, it smells really good, like a fresh, soft quality conditioner. And it has like a little spray cap, so it sprays out. So that'll be interesting to use. I'll use that the next time I straighten my hair. And then there's one more thing in here, and it's bubble wrapped. Let me go ahead and open this up. This is the Sahi Cosmetics Cream Metallic Foil Eyeshadow with jojoba oil. Okay, that's nice. It's 2 grams or 0.0 fluid ounces. Okay, let me see what, oh, I can see some of it's already spilled out. It's a pretty color. Oh, is it supposed to be loose? I don't know, I don't know if mine is broken or if it's supposed to be loose. But this is what it looks like. I'm not gonna open it up because most of it's crumbled and I don't want it everywhere just yet. But it is a cream metallic foil eyeshadow and it's in the shade Dubai. And that is everything that I received in my very first Ipsy Glam Bag. And again, this is for June of 2018. I think I got a nice variety of products. It seems like they listened to me on my profile because I did indicate that I was really into makeup and then also skincare. And most of the items that I got the blush, I got the eyeshadow, I got the makeup brush, that's makeup, and then I got the Caudalie, that's skincare, and then this Pure Brazilian Miracle is the leave-in conditioner for hair. So I'm very satisfied with my very first Ipsy bag, and it was only $10. So if you like what you saw, please go ahead and comment, like, share, and subscribe. Anything you do is greatly appreciated. And when you subscribe, make sure you're hitting that notification bell so you know the exact moment that I post a new video. You can also follow me on Instagram and like me on Facebook at TakiyahLouise. Until the next video, take care.